name?
Name. My name is Wak.
Right, okay.
I'm in Form 3. I'm with my friends Uniqueness and Lulunja. We are the scientists, and we normally do research about different types of organisms to know their classification, how they interbreed, and if they are benefit to us, and how to keep them as pets. In this exhibition, we have a tortoise. We are going to talk more about a tortoise. First, is there a difference between a tortoise and a turtle? Yes. A tortoise lives in both land and water bodies. As you can see, it can survive in land and water bodies. But a turtle lives in water bodies only. Tortoises are ancient and can live for more than 100 years and beyond. Example, a tortoise named Harriet, who was kept by Dr. Charles Darwin from 1835 and arrived in Australian Zoo and died there in 2006. At that time, the tortoise was 175 years. Tortoises can live in warm climates and all continents except Antarctica continent, because Antarctica continent is the coldest continent. Tortoise group is called a creep, and they contain complex shells that are made of calcium minerals and 60 interconnected bones. The shells have scales that are called scutes. Dear guests of Hannah, do you know that it is very difficult to identify the gender of a tortoise? But we as scientists, we use the bottom part of a tortoise to identify its gender. As you can see, this is a female tortoise because its bottom part, it is flat, but a male tortoise bottom part, it is more curved. Now let's see how tortoises interbreed or mate to form their young ones. I welcome my friend John to continue.
Okay, John.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I would like to explain the interbreed and mating of the tortoise. A tortoise can interbreed anytime except the hibernation period. Also, per year, a tortoise can undergo 6 to 26 hatchlings. But also, not only tortoises cannot be used as pets, but they can be used as pets in our home, and it's more advisable to keep a male tortoise, because when you keep 2 male tortoises, they may fight, and when you keep 2 female tortoises, they may fight or may not fight, and when you keep 2 different genders, male and female tortoises, they will interbreed more little that you won't be able to take care of them. For example, in Las Vegas Valley, the United States of America, there are many unwanted tortoises with nowhere to go. So, it's more advisable to keep only 1 tortoise, which is a male. Also, a wild tortoise can start to interbreed between 15 to 20 years, but a well-fed tortoise can start to interbreed between 10 to 15 years. How does this occur? Due to the feeding relationship and nesting of a tortoise. I welcome my friend Lulu Zhao to continue with the feeding.
Zhao. Okay.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Here I'm going to explain about the nesting and feeding relationship of a tortoise. Firstly, tortoises produce young ones of their own by means of laid eggs, and their eggs are laid normally between May to mid-July, but 2 clutches of them are produced several weeks apart. That is why the incubation period takes place 90 to 120 days, depending on the temperature upon the nest. And as you can see, the tortoise has got sharp nails. This is a female tortoise because it used the nails to dig a hole on the ground that is 4 meters deep or a shoe-shaped line, so as the hatching can take place several hours. And for the feeding relationship, for the turtles, for them they are omnivorous, so they feed on both meat and vegetables. Example of the food that they take is meat, vegetables, protein, and commercial turtle food that is freeze-fried fish. And for the tortoise, them they feed on plant food that are example fruits. Some of the fruits are like berries, melons, and oranges. But turtles can live 6 months to 3 years without taking any food because they contain a lot amount of fat. And also, tortoises are concerned a very humble organism, but as you can see us wearing gloves while holding it, it's because it contains a bacteria called Salmonella that can cause typhoid in human beings. Yes, it can be a pet, a home pet, because it's very humble, but you have to take all precautions that you're given by the doctors or any other scientist advisors about the organism. Let me welcome my friend Jolene to continue with the importances.
Why have we decided to do the tortoise research? Because tortoises are more important in our lives. First, a tortoise can be used as a home pet because it's harm, though it should be taken a lot of care. Also, a tortoise can be used as a tourism attraction because a tortoise can live more than 100 years. Also, a tortoise can be used in scientific researches such as classification of living organisms. So, a tortoise is not a bad animal, as you can see. It doesn't hurt. So it's good to save the tortoise and live with them later. We are the scientists to be. Thank you for listening.
Do you own this one?
Yes.
You own it?
Yes.
Take it to home.
No, it's at school.
That's cool. Scientist to be.